If you're blessed, can you hide it? Oh, yeah, sure, yeah. It's your blessing where you go. So this is my song, I'm grateful. My heart is full now. Spreading the needle, the power, greater.
I would like to see every music. We are going to be very fast, and before you know it, we will be out of here. I want each house to give us 3 representatives from their various houses. 3 persons. We are going to do 3 leg race now. 3 persons from each house. 3 for family, for home, love, and royalty. Yes. Behind us, rules. We don't have the time to do this. Take out. Join them. Team leader, please prepare your house. Please. Let's make it snappy.
With 60 points is no other than Faith House. Seconded by, the second position is Hope House with 65 points. And the winner with 107 points is
Be the most humble pleasure. Your life on Goshen TV. Let's meet you, Father.
Thank you. I'm Pastor Wana Jacob, a pastor of Diplomats Assembly Church, Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Today is a beautiful day because as a church, we are having a family picnic program. This is our annual event where we gathered family, all the family members in Diplomats Assembly Church, husband, wife, children, members of household. We gather together to dance, to have fun in the presence of God. And today is a very special day because this is the first time that we are using our kids and teen center for this particular event. So we give all glory to God.
I'm Egon the Jacob, his wife. Okay, for me it's an opportunity to meet people, to fellowship with people, stay together, discuss, and have fun. Basically, before Easter it's been work. So this is a time to relax and enjoy yourself.
Also, this program also provides an avenue for families in Diplomat Assembly Church to bond. In church, people come to service. After service, they go to their homes. But this is a platform where all the family members mingle and mix together. Children get to know themselves. I mean, it's one of the beautiful programs in the church that we always long to have. Yes, we really want to appreciate the board of ministers and the senior pastor who is a key visionary that God has used to, organize this type of program. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Goshen TV. Thank you.
We had a nice time. You can see we have children, we have teenagers, we have the youths, we have the adults, and we've all had a very wonderful time. I want to thank God first and for the beautiful weather. We've had a very fantastic weather. And then I would like to thank the organizing committee. They did a very good job. I also want to thank the Teens and Kids Committee for making this place available and beautifully prepared for this occasion.
Thank you, Mommy.